Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord is Ngani Zestembu. My apologies for being late, but your girl is here and I want us to start with the three yoga personnels. Ulwandle, Umpilo no Abongwe, right? They went to yoga thingy where we saw ukuthi Ulwandle ngathi uyayizwisisa nje into yoga phakathi. You could see ukuthi he's enjoying it and it was nice to see something Ulwandle ayi-enjoyayo nje ngokuphelele, right? Sharp, but mina the storylines around these ones, they are still a bit dull. For me at this point is working isithembu sikaSibindi kahle kahle show le mele ibizwe ukuthi isithembu sikaSibindi, and then that's it. But nonetheless bakhulume lapho and they spoke about their dating, and then uAbongwe watouch ukuthi she's not dating right now because she wants a person that is aligned with what she wants in ini. Then Umpilo wasichazisela ukuthi yena unenhliziyo encane nje, akanasineke, akabekezeli, umbekezelo nje akho kugrama yakhe. Makafeel ukuthi nje i-relationship is not relationshiping, uvele uthi matorokisi. Of which when it comes to the girls, I think we understand ukuthi they want to present an image, like, you know, most every girl is a virgin, right? Every girl has slept with one guy except the guy that they're marrying. I don't know why, but that's how it is. With that said, so I think they want to protect that image, and also considering ukuthi ubaba wabo uyayibukela ishow, so they wouldn't want to say things that would make or that would disgrace their father's surname, right? Sharp. Sindlule kulabo ke sesiqedile, there's nothing more that we can say about them. Singena kuMusa Mseleko. uMusa Mseleko, I think ukuthi he is part and parcel of the show because uye ubaba walaphayana. At some point his wives did indicate that this polygamy is his, right? And he also reiterated ukuthi it being alive and it dying, it lies on his shoulders, meaning ukuthi he needs to do whatever it takes to ensure ukuthi isithembu sakhe siyaphila, meaning he needs to make sure that abantwana bakhe bayazwana. He needs to make sure ukuthi abantwana bakhe abazowakha isithembu siyahakheka and stuff. So that is why we will see him there and there when it comes to the interactions with the children. Also, can we give him props, guys? Ubaba Musa Mseleko is one of the most present fathers. Like, Ugai is super present, like Ugai is there. And yes, some of you might say, yeah, but he's doing it because he's getting paid on TV. I would give everything to have a present father, whether acting for TV or not. But at the end of the day, he is there. And when I know Ugusi, no, we need to go back, Sio Bonda, I know where to go back to, you know. So mina, I salute Umusa, and I'm giving him all his flowers today for being a present dad. Not most of the fathers can sit throughout this nonsense, and it helps because he's guiding his children the way he sees fit. Underline, the way he sees fit. We might seem to differ, or we might beg to differ, or we might think no, it's not what he's supposed to do, but he's doing what is in the best interest of his children according to how he sees it. Yeah, then we move. Uhleli ubaba uMseleko no Amahle no Sibindi, and they discussed the whole thing yaga Amahle. On that table, uMseleko explained ukuthi by virtue of Amahle being global at first, it makes her the first wife. Then it must be explained to Ulo Otena ganandaba nama position, but it looks like seganandaba now. It must be explained to her ukuthi your family's refusal of amalobolo automatically made somebody else to be umamkhulu. So we cannot necessarily wait for your family to agree. When they decide to agree, we keep it moving, we lobola others. Wena ngalelo langa lelo ifamily yakho izovuma ngalo, so uzawuba wife number bani uhage nawe amatorokisi. So uAmahle might be the first wife by virtue of her being global at first, right? Then ahambe ayohlangana nomtiritiri ke uSibindi uTirelo. And can I say, like I said on my TikTok video, uTirelo is a gone girl. Utirelo is a gone girl. Your girl cannot speak Istswana anymore. Your girl is umzulu phaqa. Ngithi ukhuluma isiZulu more than baZulu uyanong. Kore o setsene bene kanti like ungenile nje. Bare ke ka maoto le everything nje ungene phakathi shiqa. I can't namzulu no. But ungenile girl, she's a gone girl. No one can convince me otherwise. Girl, even on her diary sessions, she has forgotten how to speak Istswana. She will explain everything in Zulu, sing Zulu songs to show ukuthi man lendota nje eyami. Then daughter is mine, I am then daughter's, and that's it. But she explained ukuthi she's not happy with uSibindi for obvious reasons. Usibindi akasaboniseki nan. And this boils down to the topic that we had when we were speaking about her being an understanding girlfriend, her having a friendship noSibindi. Yes, that friendship was solid when uVuyokazi was the first one. That friendship made sense when Vuyokazi was there, because the friendship lied on Vuyokazi being the difficult one and Utirelo being the understanding one. Now the roles have turned. Now it looks like Amahle huye o understandayo njengoba manje seka umakoti phela. Amahle seka uyabona, you understand? Like Amahle sekuyokwazi ukutshelwa kahle izinto nani. Unlike ekuqaleni where umtiritiri would be the first one to get this information and would be the first one to be told things. Now the tables are turning, and that is why Ugirl is feeling the heat. Now, in yesterday's episode, it was explained the confusion or the battle or the fight between the conflict, rather, let us use that word, the conflict between Utirelo no Amahle started by Utirelo texting Amahle. Remember, Utirelo was telling Vuyokazi how much Vuyokazi must love herself, choose herself, nan. At this point, I feel Ugirl should be taking the very advice that she was giving to Vuyokazi, because she is the one now that is texting amanyama girlfriend, woman to woman. Ay Gael, ay Tirelo, engwanyanaka, wa itura riri biao. But nonetheless, that is where the conflict started, and the pictures were posted there. And it looked like Amahle was like nonchalant about the whole thing, but we will see on the trip that Abongo has invited them on. Lapho ke ama true colors neyitori nokuthi kulelani kuzovela nje kahle sibone ukuthi kahle vathakwana hoetsala, right? But in general and in conclusion, I am disappointed with Utirelo for doing the woman to woman thing, because as she was advising Vuyokazi, I would have thought she understood you cannot advise another girl to love herself, and you say by her leaving the relationship she's choosing herself and shows that she loves herself. But when you are in the very relationship and writing about woman to woman messages, it does not make sense. It does not make sure. I don't know what to think about it, but do let me know in the comments section down below. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.